TV actors have a lot of less time to expose themselves, less time because telecast का issue होता है. Because I like to keep it very personal. I am a very introvert guy. It teaches you. It teaches you to be strong from within. It gives you the strength, and also you need to be patient enough.
Hi everyone, I'm Pooja from Bollywood Life. Romantic movies, when they have a dose of laughter, they're always fun to watch. And with Gudchari, Parth Samthan and Khushali Kumar, they promise us a thoroughly entertaining ride with a twisted love story. So let's find out about it and other interesting stuff. Hi Parth, hi Khushali.
Hi. क्या introduction था वाह, very nice. क्या बात.
So Parth, now from TVs, you're into movies. So how has this transition been for you?
Not so smooth, to be honest. It's been taken a long time, but yes, after all the obstacles and delays, I would say, it teaches you. It teaches you to be strong from within. It gives you the strength, and also you need to be patient enough. And वो होता है ना कि अच्छे लोगों के साथ अच्छा ही होता है, and वो सब्र का फल मीठा होता है. As cliche as it sounds, but it's true. And I feel that if you got to believe, one day you will achieve what you're looking for. Your focus needs to be there. So I feel right now I'm very much focused on what I want, and right now things are falling in place. That's how I feel right now. So yes, it's my first film, and I'm pretty excited about it. And I hope people have in fact liked and loved the trailer, and I hope they obviously love the film also once it comes out on 9th of August, along with me and Khushali.
So Khushali, you have done a few films and the topics, the stories have been different. And this is like a romantic. I think this is the easiest film that you have been a part of.
Easy कुछ नहीं होता. Hello, excuse me.
I'm saying story with romantic comedy, like not a heavy like topics. So
Fun, you could say.
Funny, yeah, yes.
Oh.
So for you, like what have you discovered about yourself as an actor in these few years?
Entire journey has been very different, as you just said. I've played all different genres, and starting from a very intense and I would say a very difficult one to portray on screen. As he said, nothing is easy. It seems easy, but yes, this is more. It's lighthearted. It's not that heavy. I would say as compared to the other roles which I have done, and I thoroughly enjoyed in this film. Like all the schedules were a lot of fun for me as compared to my other films. And overall, it's been a fantastic journey. I'm very happy and blessed to find and to be able to do a story and a script like this. And of course, to share screen space with Sanjay sir and Ravina. And of course, Parth. And I'm very happy that I'm part of his debut film as well.
अरे वाह, बस्कर पगली बोलाई.
So Parth, you have played romantic characters before, and I think that is one of the reasons, along with your talent, that you have such a huge fan following. But you have been quite private about your, personal life, romantic life. So why is it so?
Because I like to keep it very personal. I am a very introvert guy. I am I would say. Yeah, कहीं आप मेरी बहन पूजा की सहेली तो नहीं. अब तुम बोलोगे मैं ही पूजा हूँ. But yeah, on a serious note, I prefer it that way. I want to keep my work life different. I want to keep it. Yes, I know. Okay, in our industry, people want to know more about your personal lives,
Right.
about what layers you have in your personal life, how many mysteries are there to be solved, so how many angles are there, and yeah, who's dating who, all that. But for me, it's not fun, and for me, it's not. I don't indulge myself in listening to such stories about industry. Also, it's because it's not something that I would say I'm a part of it. But I would like to keep it my personal life very personal, and I would like to let the work speak for itself. Like for example, Kaisi Yaria, for that matter, my first show, when it worked like wonders. But why did it work? It worked for the character. It worked for the story. It worked for the chemistry. It didn't work for Parsanthan, or it didn't work because I was there. It worked for entirely the project,
Right.
and that's what I want to do in future also.
And how has the experience of being, working with Sanjay sir and Ravina ma'am? And any fun stories do you have that you can share?
बहुत सवाल पूछ लिए तुमने, मतलब ये एक सवाल में ना ऐसी पूरी कहानी है. हाँ. तो
So,
हमने तो बाबा के साथ काम किया
Yeah.
ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा, एंड शी अलॉन्ग विद रवीना मैम, and for me it was an wonderful experience because I had I was always a fan of his basically, and I always looked up to him, and he is a standout. He is a style icon for the longest time, and that I've told him on the sets कि कैसे हम आपके मुसाफिर फिल्म को देखकर हम वो दाढ़ी कॉपी करते थे, कांटे का वो लुक था, वो जो ब्लॉन्ड केस बाल है कट वाला, वो हम कॉपी करते थे, इमिटेट करते थे, स्कूल में हम वैसा बनना चाहते थे, द स्टड. So we all wanted to be like the whole machoism
Yeah.
came from Baba, for that matter, and even today for a matter, when we see him in KGF, films like KGF, it is that flamboyant, that stud, that whole aura about him. But on the contrary, when you meet him and when you speak to him, when you spend time with him, he is a very sweet guy. He's a very humble, down-to-earth human being, and very chilled, very relaxed. No shoshabazi, no air about what's happening and ye and no, and not showing off or nothing of that sort. He's very modest, and I'm sure कि मतलब he's such an experienced guy that he's seen and witnessed so much of worst and good experiences about life that we all have seen
Yeah.
about him. So it's a whole institution itself. मतलब मुझे लगता है कि if I have to inspire myself, I have to just look at him because he's truly an inspiration here.
And your experience with Ravina ma'am?
You know, as when I decided to get into acting, it was not very easy convincing my mom and getting into it. And you always, dream of to share screen space with certain so and so people. And I'm really blessed that I got to share screen space with Sanjay sir, with Ravina ma'am. We have seen all their songs, their movies, and honestly, I had never even thought of that something like this would happen. Because once when we had narrated the story and all that time, the cast wasn't finalized. So I was super thrilled and excited. I just couldn't even believe, that something like this is happening, and I would get the chance to play Ravina Man's daughter. And every moment on the set it's like I think a memory created for life for me. And I really wish and I hope that I get another chance to work with Sanjay sir again. So with Ravina ma'am, but Sanjay sir के साथ ना अभी वो fulfill नहीं हुआ है because I did not have many scenes with him. And I did even tell him this on the set, and he was like, "Sure, we will work again together soon." So my fingers are crossed to do another film with him.
And Parth, usually what happens when TV actors they work in movies or even in streaming service, they don't get usually they're not tagged as actors. They're still tagged as TV actors. And what do you have to say about this?
I feel it has its own pros and cons. It has its own positives and negatives. Positive ये है कि टीवी एक्टर इसलिए उसको टीवी बोलते हैं क्योंकि इतनी लंबी छाप उन्होंने छोड़ी है, इतनी ह्यूज फैन बेस उन्होंने क्रिएट करी है थ्रू दैट शो, थ्रू दैट जर्नी, थ्रू दैट कैरेक्टर. तो वो एक बहुत इम्पैक्टफुल जर्नी है. तो तुमने कोई खराब काम नहीं किया, तुमने बहुत अच्छा काम किया जिसके लिए लोग तुम्हें इतने सालों से जुड़ चुके हैं, तुम्हारे साथ उठना बैठना चाहते हैं, तुम्हें उनके दिमाग में उनको अभी भी वो किरदार याद है. तो वो बहुत, आज भी मुझे कसौटी छोड़ के अभी बाकायदा मुझे 4 साल हो चुके हैं, लेकिन फिर भी आज भी मुझे लोग आके बोलते हैं अनुराग, और फिर अनुराग बोलने के बाद फिर बोलते हैं आपका नाम क्या है. तो दैट इज द होल ब्यूटी ऑफ टेलीविजन आई फील. एंड आई वुड से द नेगेटिव एस्पेक्ट इज पीपल्स परसेप्शन कि मतलब नॉट द ऑडियंस बट यस there are few people who say कि the kind of acting that has been done, the kind of performances that are done in television is not the appropriate acting that is required for films or for web, and that's how hence they don't take up the artists from television because they feel कि उनके expressions बहुत loud होते हैं. And but unfortunately TV actors have a lot of less time to expose themselves, less time because टेलीकास्ट का इशू होता है, डेडलाइंस होते हैं, और एक्सप्रेशंस भी हमें सब कुछ एंड इट्स नॉट इजी बिकॉज क्या होता है ना कि आप बैठे हो घर पे, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट अ नॉर्मल मिडिल क्लास फैमिली सिटिंग इन एनी 2 tier 3 tier टाउन एंड दे आर जस्ट स्विचिंग चैनल्स. इट इज एज इजी एज दिस कि मेरे को बस अगर मेरे को एक सीन भी पसंद नहीं है मैं हटा दूंगा. but obviously unfortunately they don't see the efforts and energy that the artist puts. तो उनके लिए बस हटाना है. अब वो हटाओ ना, इसके लिए हम क्या कर सकते हैं टू मेक श्योर कि हम जो अगले 22 मिनट देने वाले हैं वो इतने इंट्रीगिंग रहे कि आप हिलो ही मत. तो उसके लिए हमें सब कुछ फास्ट फास्ट करना पड़ता है. यू नो व्हाट आई मीन? लाइक फिल्म आप देखो तो आपको पता है आप एक बार थिएटर में आ चुके हो, अब 3 घंटे आप हिलने नहीं वाले क्योंकि आपने पैसे दिए. अब आ चुके हो, अब उसमें फिल्म में आपको झेलना भी पड़ेगा. अगर फिल्म बुरी रही तो, स्लो रही तो आप देखते रहो देखते रहो देखते रहो, क्योंकि आप रुकोगे कि कभी ना कभी एक मोमेंट आएगा कि वो पिकअप हो जाएगी फिल्म. लेकिन टेलीविजन में क्या है कि ये सीन में बोर हो रहा है, ये लो चैनल हट गया, खत्म, एंड ऑफ स्टोरी, आगे बढ़ो. ये है. तो द चैलेंज एंड द कंपटीशन इन टेलीविजन इज सो मच दैट इट गेट्स यू वेरी, इट्स बेसिकली अ ट्रेनिंग स्कूल. तो स्कूल है जो आप सीखते हो. और अभी फिलहाल मैं आ गया हूँ जहाँ पर कॉलेज में, where I see these beautiful girls and I get a chance to romance with them. Yeah.
And as you said, you get a chance to romance with them. And romantic movies or romantic comedies, you know, in the past few years, we have seen that they are diminishing. Like, not many, like, there are thrillers happening, or even like TV shows, there's like supernatural.
I'm very much in, see, I've always been a romantic fan.
I think a lot of people are, because you see, like, even if you see the posts that are trending about movies, it's the scenes from romantic or, you know, love stories. Correct. Because a lot are not happening now, so they take it up from the 90s or the 2000s movies. So what do you think has caused this change, that romance has become sidelined? Although we love, Indian audience, they love romantic movies, but then there are thrillers or spy movies, or on TV there's supernatural shows.
No, I think it's the conviction. You want to say? No, I think it's the conviction. बेसिकली होता क्या है कि रोमांस में क्या है कि या तो लड़का लड़की मिलेंगे एंड में, या तो नहीं मिलेंगे. एज सिंपल एज दैट. यही है और कुछ नहीं है. बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू मर्डर मिस्ट्री, व्हेन इट कम्स टू ड्रग्स कार्टेल, व्हेन इट कम्स टू प्रोस्टिट्यूशन, व्हेन इट कम्स टू क्राइम, और व्हेन इट कम्स टू यू वुड से एक्शन, देयर आर सो मेनी लेयर्स एंड कैरेक्टर्स इन इट. और अभी के टाइम पे व्हेन वी आर एक्सपोज टू हॉलीवुड, व्हेन वी आर एक्सपोज टू OTT platforms and Netflix and everything, we have seen left, right and center of how the Westerners are performing, or Westerners are showing their cinema. तो बहुत लोग उनसे ही इन्फ्लुएंस होके उनके जैसा बनना चाहते हैं. एज सिंपल एज दैट. कि हम क्यों नहीं बना सकते ऐसा, हम भी ऐसा कुछ बनाएंगे, हम भी ऐसे शोज बनाएंगे, हम भी ऐसे फिल्म्स बनाएंगे. तो सब लोग उस जोन में जा रहे हैं अब. जबकि रोमांस एंड कॉमेडी, दीज आर वेरी बेसिक एंड सिंपलेस्ट थिंग्स ऑफ लाइफ. तो ऐसा है कि सबको अभी एक्सपेरिमेंट करना है. कॉमन बेसिक क्यों बनाया हम? तो ये वो चीज है.
Expansion भी हो गया है. Audiences also now become smart. They are accepting new things which earlier they were only limited to, I think, a particular thing. I think it's become in fact wider. They are accepting things. I don't think the romance completely खत्म या बंद ही हो गया. I think there are new things which are added. But जो एक अपना रोमांस का मजा है वो अच्छा ही है. But you need, everyone needs variety. Because you know options have opened up. Earlier it was only theatre. Today OTT has come, and where they are, I think the audiences, there's more absorption. You need to cater to now way larger audience. Earlier it was just like TV and theatre. It was just like going to the masses. And it just expanded, and I think they're experimenting more, which I feel is also good. But romance comedy has its own beauty, has its own charm, and we are living now through Gulchari. We are bringing it to you on 9th of August.
Yeah.
So I'm hoping the audience is going to give love to it.
And not only it has romance, not only it has comedy, but also 3 generations. 3 generations where you're showing this interpersonal relationship between a dadi and her son, that is Baba, and Aruna Irani ji, and her grandson, that is me, Chirag. So how do these 3 generations bond together, and who will make that sacrifice
Basically,
for love?
Family drama twist.
Correct.
You know?
Fully family drama twist, and it all happens. All this drama is only happening is because we have respect and love for each other. That's why we are scared of each other. तो हम डरते भी है. हम ये भी सोचना चाह रहे हैं कि हम इनके लिए कुर्बान कर दें. नहीं, हम क्यों कुर्बान करें. ये वो भी है, और प्यार भी है, बताए ना बताए, तो वो सब भी है. तो इट्स अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल स्टोरी आई फील, एंड आई फील एनीवन कैन वॉच इट. एज इन लाइक दादा दादी, चाचा चाची, मामा मामी, एवरीवन. You can take the entire family and watch this film together. It's a very clean film, and that's what the best part about the film is, that you will enjoy the film because it has a subject, it has a message to every generation.
And as you said, after, like, people still address you as Anurag, okay, and it has been 4 years. But then the other question is, like, it has been 4 years. Why haven't you signed any TV show? Like, have you deliberately stayed away from TV content or something like that?
Yes, I have. I have because, like you said, like I said at the start, there are pros and cons. So the negative part of this thing is that people are not able to forget the whole character that I have driven. So, for example, even for Kaisi Yaariya, people have loved the show, and I love that show so much. And no matter how much we keep doing it, many seasons, people still want to watch it more. But yes, they have seen so much of shades of that character of me and me in him that people say कि तू कुछ और करने जाएगा तो अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. They have decided already without watching. So that is the whole drawback of doing one particular show for the longest time, because people relate, people start living with that character for their lives. So it's very challenging to take that break, to get out of it, and then try doing something else, and which is what it took me like 4 years.
And now Chirag will break all those rules.
Absolutely. Fingers crossed.